Stick around if you'd like to see the steps we took and the tools we used to take this really damaged plastic bumper cover from this to this without having to replace any parts or do any kind of repainting. So we're going to have to take some things apart to get to the back side of the Dent. You can see we've got a heat gun there. Now heat guns I actually found from about $20 to about $40 on Amazon. Doesn't have to be a heavy duty one at all. So you're going to need this soft face hammer. It has a nylon side and a rubber side to kind of shape and mold the plastic when it heats up. And you're also going to need a fairly good trim tool set to basically disassemble things, some of the clips and retainers to get to the back side of the dented area. And also a good socket ratchet set here, 1/4 inch preferably. And if you opt to use touch-up paint, you can pick that up at your local dealership as kind of a final touch. Just keep in mind that touch-up paint is definitely not a perfect thing, and it's just designed to take your eye away from the bare areas. All right, so we're getting this plastic panel nice and warm. You're probably wondering what the temperature would be to start shaping this thing, and it's roughly somewhere between the 180 to 200 mark. I usually like to get it roughly about the 200 area. Before I start applying any pressure from the backside, you want to make sure you're using a glove because this panel is obviously hot. You don't want to burn yourself. And you can see I'm kind of uniformly pushing this up. You don't want to create any pockets where you can't push the dent out and it causes more damage. So just kind of keep it even throughout as you push it up. You can see this thing is sped up. It's kind of satisfying to watch, so I included that as well. All right, so here is where we stand currently, just by basically pushing the dent out and getting the general shape back. Still kind of looks like an accident occurred there. We want to go further with the repair if we can. Some people are okay with living with just that. Personally, if you're looking to make this look as good as it possibly can get, I would suggest probably hiring a skilled paintless dent repair technician, because they can actually kind of sculpt this plastic almost the same way that they would with a metal panel. Now, with metal panels, we can really fine-tune to the point where you cannot even tell anything happened. We're going to get this plastic bumper looking really good, though, just by kind of fine-tuning with some paintless dent repair tools, such as the one you're seeing right here. This is kind of a standard paintless dent repair tool kind of set that you would use on metal as well. And you can see we're kind of getting in there and slowly kind of pushing that plastic back into position while it is still hot. Heat is the key to successful repairs on plastic. Getting these things to looking like this, and I can tell you that we definitely had a really happy customer on this one for sure. You know, obviously this thing looked crushed and pushed in. It still has some paint damage, obviously, but the customer's overall goal was met by not having to replace any parts. We did this at their home, and we saved them a ton of money on that repair. Some of these bumper covers cost quite a bit to replace and then repaint. And, you know, if you're looking from an economical standpoint, this makes much more sense if you can live with a little blemish here and there. Clearly, some of these repairs, as you can see, you know, I'm fully transparent with showing you what the final results are. They still have a little bit of, you know, scuffing or gouging in the plastic that might remain in the end. But most people's overall goal and objective is to basically just have me come out and manipulate this plastic and get it to as close as we possibly can to basically save them from having to take it to a body shop to have it replaced or resprayed. This one clearly didn't need any paint because it doesn't have a painted surface. It was just on some bare plastic. So I'm going to leave you with these before and after photos just to kind of show you how far we can take some of these repairs. I mean, most people would assume that these are beyond a repairable state, but we can do some pretty amazing things given the fact that the paint is so flexible along with the plastic, just giving the customer a major significant improvement over what they had, so they can drive around with confidence knowing that there's not an ugly dent on their car. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Have a great day.